What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and got some good news. Got my car back, and she's back. Excellent. Where I took it, perfect, man. Nothing happened. Like it looks like nothing happened, and it looks beautiful. I have it right here. It's kind of raining at the moment, but we'll check it out. You can see it's good. The damage was about like right here on the door. Like nothing happened. It's dirty, but it's fixed. Underground Nation. See, looks like nothing happened. Man, when I saw when they pulled it out, man, I was so happy. But yeah, that's it. So shout out to the shop, Exclusive Motorsports in Conroe, Texas. I'll have their Instagram name right here. If y'all want to go check out their work, man, excellent. Most definitely recommend. Beautiful work. And they did it under a week. Felt like forever for me, you know, having the car away. But it was well worth it, and yeah, just straight up badass, man. Badass. I was happy. And we're heading out to, there's gonna be Cars and Coffee the next day, and I'll be heading out there, probably meet up with a few guys from the crew and see how it goes. And yeah. Yeah, they're going with big ass intake. I don't know, man. These hoes are like crazy, dog. It's hard to find these in this condition. Yeah. Like that SS.
Yeah, it's clean.
Hell yeah. The LSA blower on it.
He's ready to play. And that's kind of what I'm leaning towards. I don't know yet. I got a 14 Caprice. I mean,
okay.
Full SS interior swap, wheels.
Oh, that's sick, bro.
Everything holds on.
Oh, look at Supra.
I got my
Supra. That him? Okay. Yeah, I see that. Oh, like LS what? Bro, these Audis right here, the wagons, they're fucking badass, dude.
Oh yeah.
These right here, bro, they're expensive, dog.
16B. Oh yeah. 16B. He used to have a bagged Charger, I think.
Yeah, those wagons are badass, dude. The wagons,
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah, it looks good, man. Like
Yeah,
those wheels, bro.
I seen on some YouTuber.
What size are those? 22s?
I don't know. Some YouTuber from California, I think, they bought one. They put like some downpipes and shit. Man, that shit sounds badass.
Yeah. 500, man.
Yeah.
Super line right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 160.
That's a clean setup.
Hell yeah. Backlight.
Back. Where is he at?
Yeah, see if I got the RS Q8.
Yeah, what size wheels does it? Those are nice.
20s? 22s?
That's what we go to. It's on the bottom side.
22s.
Yeah.
22s. They look nice.
Oh yeah.
That wrap, yeah, that wrap is badass.
That's a clean wrap if it is a wrap, huh?
No, I'm pretty sure it is a wrap, yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, it's a sick, bro.
That's a clean wrap.
Yeah. Blessed. That one
What?
gives it that Fast and Furious look right there.
Yeah. That's clean.
Yeah, that's nice.
Shine graphics. Okay.
Oh, look at this one. Carbon fiber all in the dash.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, right hand drive. Yeah, I want some wheels like these right here.
That's cool.
Yeah, what about the RTs?
Porsche back came to our detail garage. That's crazy. You see that fitment?
Yeah. Hella wide.
I think it's back too.
Yeah, it should. I like these wheels the Supra has right here.
The back ones look better though.
Huh?
The back ones look better.
Black ones?
The back ones.
Oh, the back one, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're bigger in the back. That's it. Probably like 10 and a half, 11 maybe.
Yeah.
Back.
Probably pretty cheap. It's in good condition. Get it from the body. Your transmission and motor. While you're on drive. Where's that?
That white one right there. The GT350, the white one. Another Cobra. The yellow one.
Performance pack?
Yeah.
Oh, that one just like the suspension is
I think that green one's got
Yeah.
special wheels.
yeah, those are the you're right.
Yeah, what's
It's
all?
a manual. It's not an automatic. And also basically it's for track use.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the
suspension is crazy on it.
Performance
Okay.
pack too.
Yeah.
They come with like wider wheels all around.
I've never seen a Corvette like clean like that with lights.
That Type R got some big spoiler.
Go all around.
Thought it was a Lexus at first.
Yeah. Those Alfa Romero wheels are crazy, man.
Oh yeah, they were quadrifolios with frequently.
They are crazy. I think we saw that ZL1 yesterday.
Yeah, I
right?
think I was about to say that. It's a Pro Charger.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna air it out.
Oh, you already did, huh?
Yeah, a little
Oh,
bit.
no, not all the way.
Yeah, no, there you go. Oh yeah.
Damn.
Oh shit, body drop.
That's nice though.
Yeah. More Vipers and stuff pulled up though.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh look, he has the hoverboard from the movie. Cobras. Yeah. Or with that wrap, dude. See the wrap?
Nah, it's paint.
Yeah.
Oh, you talk about this?
Yeah, this one.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Just gotta take pictures.
The whole lineup of GTRs and Vipers.
Oh, this is where everybody's at.
Yeah.
Whatever, and then after the session, the guy came
What kind of Mustang is it?
Like a saloon or something.
Maybe, yeah. It says C500 on the side. Never seen it. This one's nice. Oh, like that white body. Oh, shit.
Oh, I like those.
Super. Lamborghini truck. Watch it. Oh, the R34s.
I like those ones.
R8s.
I like the older ones.
Oh man, there's probably like a 2021 right here. Is that a GT3? Yeah, it's a GT3. I see it on the seat.
Oh, no, it's a GT3 RS.
Yeah. Alright.
You gotta remember the RS.
RS.
It's a couple $100K. You know what I mean?
Just for the letters.
Yeah. Ah.
Oh, it's a Cars Across Texas guy.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah.
Him right there. Where's his GTR? Oh, it's right here. Yeah, it is right here. The black one.
Let's see how this thing feels.
Yeah.
Yo, so far the windshield is crazy.
Yeah.
The visibility on this
Yeah,
thing,
man, you
yo.
can freaking see the whole everything.
Okay. Yo, okay. sensitive like
It's not?
ours. Nah. Like right now I'm pressing it like a lot. Well, like more than, you know.
Yeah,
I
on
would,
ours, I'm barely tapping. It's already just
Yeah.
it's already going.
I'm gonna hit it. Okay.
Oh, I like that. I like this.
I'm coming from a full bolt-on Mustang,
Yeah.
you know. So I don't know. It's different, you know.
Mhm.
So the gas pedal is weird.
It is.
It's like this.
The hell? Oh, on the floor.
Yeah.
On the floor. What the?
So you know, it's weird. But it turns good though. Yo, one thing though, like I have to get used to the windshield. It's so tight. Then here's the eyeliner, the eyebrow,
yeah.
so it doesn't help anything, you know. I'm gonna try the paddle shifters. 4, 3, 2. I'm gonna do the first gear. First gear. Ooh, it didn't shift it.
Did it?
Nah. And I wasn't in manual. Oh no, when I went with paddle shifters,
Oh, okay.
it's the same thing as going over here on the left. Was it spinning?
I don't know. Was it?
Huh?
I have no idea.
Shit, I don't know. I don't know. Well, let's go hit a U-turn or something.
Yeah,
you know?
around here.
Yeah. Yo, this is nice, yo. So 2018 Camaro SS, no cats, no resonators. But in here it's not that loud, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not that bad. So it has that safe lane change thing.
Oh, it does? Oh, yeah. I see it.
The light on the side mirror turns on. But it doesn't downshift though.
No?
Mine right now will be like bah, bah.
Yeah.
Wait, maybe if I put it in manual it's different, right? Let me see if I can put track mode maybe.
Sorry, on track.
I was already on track, huh?
Yeah, your track right there.
Okay. You see right there?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It says 50. That's nice. I'm a downshift and then I'm gonna pop it back and drive.
It should be the same thing.
Second gear. Okay. It shifts quick.
It does?
Yeah. It shifts quick. But it doesn't kick though.
No? Yeah, it
doesn't
is,
kick like
yeah.
mine kicks. But it's comfortable though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can drive far in this car.
I like the seats, man.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't downshift, man. I'll talk to him about that.
Yeah.
Maybe there's something when I do it. But you see, like right now I'm braking, right?
Yeah.
It's not
It's not
downshifting.
downshifting.
Maybe manual. Yeah, let me leave it over here on M, and let's see if that helps, right?